Hey folks, Burbo here with a very, very special fabric haul. So I found some amazing fabrics today and I found them from an amazing lady. I wasn't intending on going fabric shopping today, but I stumbled upon this fabric stall and the amazing woman who runs it called Penny. Her business is called FABRIKANZA and she specialises in jersey and crepe, and I just couldn't resist. I kept calling her Jo for some reason, but her name's Penny. Okay, I'm up in Brierley Hill and I've just met this amazing woman with this amazing fabric stall. Look at this stuff behind me. We're gonna have a quick look now. Get your tambourine out, love.
Fab fabrics for Mr. Burbo.
And she is FABRIKANZA up at the Brierley Hill market. So I'm gonna show you what she's got now. Right, I'm gonna show them what you've
Help
got.
small businesses come to the market. It is. Beautiful upholstery. Lots of people are, because we're in a bit of a recession. People are recovering their furniture. And I've got the cottons as well for the little kiddies. Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Oh.
This is Jo and from FABRIKANZA.
Yeah, I want Penny.
Sorry, Penny, sorry.
Once met, never forgotten.
This is Penny from FABRIKANZA at Brierley Hill Market.
Yes.
And when are you open?
Tuesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Come and see me and have a cup of tea.
And how long have you been doing this?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
And you started in the pandemic, was it?
Yeah.
Doing from home?
Yeah. Moved here because I wanted to meet people. I'm a people person.
No.
I know. I was getting a bit confined to barracks, so I needed to. And I'm here. Right. And I love it.
So you need to come and see Penny. What's your Facebook page?
FABRIKANZA.
FABRIKANZA. So follow Penny on FABRIKANZA. And on Instagram as well?
Yes. FABRIKANZA.
FABRIKANZA.
And online, I've got a website, fabrikanza.com.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
I've got Doris at the ready. And what did I get from FABRIKANZA? Okay, so I've got this tie-dye. It's like a burnt effect, which I absolutely love. Very punk. And then how cool is this purple and lilac tartan? Absolutely stunning. It's so clean looking and so fresh. Very springtime, spring summer. And then I got this vintage-esque kind of print in this orange and very dark brown, but that's actually embossed. It's like a velveteen on top of the fabric, so beautiful texture and just very, very retro. Very 1970s. And then this one was the first one that took my eye actually, and I just literally could not leave without it. It's just, the print is just superb, and it's like a lilac with a kind of khaki green, psychedelic, which should not work, but it just so works. Absolutely love it. So, as most of you are aware, with the stretched jersey fabrics, I mainly make my punk renaissance pieces and my delicate savage pieces, the hand stitch pieces. So if there's anything there at all that takes your eye and you fancy, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. They are stunning fabrics, and it was just an absolute pleasure to meet Penny today. So I hope you've enjoyed that video and like what you see from the fabrics. Please give Penny a follow on FABRIKANZA and get in touch with anything you like. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.